when your start menu not giving you option to shut down your computer, you just simply you can, as you can see, start menu not giving to shut down or restart any option. You simply can press from the keyboard Control Alt and delete. Now you can shut down your computer. As you can see there you go, just click and this computer will be shutting down. So this is how you shut down your computer when your start menu not giving you option. There you go, it's shut now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel